Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How do you feel today? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is in English for grade 5. We are learning unit number 12 and its title is Over the Counter Medicine. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 5, we will learn about main verbs and helping verbs. How we can use helping verb and main verb in our sentences. Before in English for grade 5, my dear students, on page number 83, you have already learned about was and were as a main verb and helping verb. So I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again, and today we are going to learn further. Demonstrate the use of be, do, and have along with their negative forms as main or helping verbs. Both we will use that in our sentences. So today we will cover up both ways how we can use as a main verb and as a helping verb. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah AlKasa, verse number 77, and do not desire corruption in land. Indeed, Allah does not like corruptors. So my dear students, this beautiful verse is giving us a message that we should be honest in our life. Whenever we are doing something, so we should be honest, because Allah Almighty does not like corruptors. Okay, corruptors are not those do something wrong in their businesses, in such type of things. That activity you are doing, and if you are not doing it honestly, even at any post where you are, so it means you are doing corruption. Got it? And Allah does not like corruptors. So the words is does, do. Okay, so today we are going to learn about such type of words, that how we can use them in our different speech and writing. So pre-reading questions are there for you. Be ready. What do you know about the use of be, do and have as helping and main verb? Already we have learned in our grade 4 also, 3 also. So tell to your teacher that what are the uses of these things. Okay. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. So let's revise that, how we can clear this concept. The verb be is used as an auxiliary verb and it can also be used as a main verb. As you know, my dear students, auxiliary verb mean helping verb. Okay, the present simple forms are is, am, are, and past simple forms are was, were. So my dear students, we use the forms of be, is, am, are in our present time when we are talking about present time. Okay, and was and were are also the forms of be, and we use these forms in our past time, that time has gone. Okay, let's see in examples. She is an artist. Got it? So now is being used as a main verb. There is no other helping verb or main verb is there. So she is enjoying the music. Now have you judged that this is being used as a helping verb, and what is our main verb? Enjoying. Okay, enjoy is our main verb. In this way, you are busy now. So you are is being used as a main verb. They are reading lesson. Main verb, helping verb and main verb. Are is being used as a helping verb. The next is I am hungry. So I am hungry. So this is the main verb. I am driving a car. So now am is being used as a helping verb. The next one, she was sick. She was waiting for me. So was is helping verb and waiting is main verb. You were in the park. They were sleeping in their room. Have you got that? In this way, my dear students, we can use the forms of be in as a helping as a main verb. So let's see next. The verb do, does and did. Now forms of do, does and did also can be used as a helping and main verb. Do and does we use in present time and did in past time. Okay. So see in examples. She does her homework. Ali and Adil do their work together. Sarah did the house decoration nicely. These are being used as a main verb in this sentence. Got it, my dear students? She does her homework. This is a main verb. Ali and Adil do their work together. So this do is also a main verb. There is no other verb. Got it? If we find two verbs together, so one is always helping and then is next is main verb. Let's see about have, has. The also has, have, had, three forms are there. My dear students, has and have, had in present form, they are being used as a main verb and they show possession. Have, has in present time and had in past time. The next, when we use as a helping verb, so these are making present perfect tense, okay, in present time and past perfect in past time while using had. Let's see, and third form of verb we used. See there, you can see boys have books in their bags. Have you got, my dear students, that have? So have is a main verb, there is no other verb. I have done my work. So now have you read? There is a verb, done. So it means this is helping verb and this is done is main verb. The next one, she has a beautiful doll. No other verb is there. So has is a main verb. Aisha has taken tea. So taken is a verb, has is a main verb. Have you got, my dear students? So let's see how we can change them into negative form. To change the positive sentence into negative, be, do, have, we have to add just not right after the main verb and same as after helping verb, and rest of the sentence will remain same. So my dear students, simple structure is there to change the positive sentence into negative. So we have to keep just not. Okay, the word not we have to keep where? Right before the main verb and after helping verb. Examples are there. See there, I am not hungry. Have you got that? Main verb and not together, side by side. And she is not going to the market. Got it, my dear students? Mean right after helping verb we have kept there not. The next one is there. Ali was not flying the kite. They did not play the game. They have not left the canteen. Have you got, my dear students? So simple structure is when we are changing the positive form into negative. So simple structure is there, we can follow. Is it clear, my dear students? Good job. So let's perform an activity to judge that what you have got today. What you have to do, my dear teacher, you have to write a few negative and positive sentences on the whiteboard using be, do and have as the main verb and helping verb. Call students in pairs to change the positive sentence into a negative form and the negative into a positive form. And you have to praise the student if he, she writes the correct sentences. So my dear teacher, you have to write mixed sentences, positive and negative form, and you will call students and they will judge and they will change the positive into negative and negative into positive form. So pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students and my dear teachers. Yes, on page number 119, there is also question number 4. Change the given sentences into negative and write the underlined verbs as helping or main verbs in the given sentence. So you have to perform this activity on your book and I am waiting for you, then come back. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. So what's your homework for today? You have to write 10 sentences using be, do and have as a main verb and helping verb with their negative and positive forms in your notebook. My dear teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get and provide it to your students in printed form. So what we have learned today? Today we learned about the use of be, do or have as a main and helping verb. We also learned the use of be, do or have as a helping verb in a sentence, and in this way we have covered up our this SLO. So my dear students, I hope today's lecture you have enjoyed and you got that how we can use different types of forms of be, do and have in our helping verb as and as main verb. So tomorrow with the new lecture we will meet soon inshallah. Till that time, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.